Let's review how to use the Notes accordion on the Bates number page of Toolkit.law. Select the Tools section, then open the Bates number page. Click on the Notes accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can type or upload case-related notes, including details about exhibits, clients, or supporting documents. Use Save to store your entries or Clear to reset and begin again. You can also undo, redo, share, or connect your notes directly to Toolkit.law's productivity suite for easy synchronization. This integration helps legal professionals maintain organized, accurate, and readily accessible notes, streamlining collaboration and improving case management. For law professionals managing multiple cases or collaborating remotely, this tool delivers flexibility and precision. Each note becomes part of a connected legal ecosystem, whether you're working on exhibits, financial disclosures, or case summaries. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Notes accordion.